Friends, family, tastemakers, hello everyone. Welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table. Today we are making boo baskets and welcome to Vlogtober. It's the last week of October and we're doing boo basket. What is a boo basket? A boo basket is a fall Halloween themed gift basket that you'll give to your boo, your favorite person. You know, just like you would for Valentine's Day or for Christmas gift basket. This is a harvest themed or Halloween themed. You have to keep that person in mind. You know, are they more Halloweenish? So you'll put more Halloween stuff in there. If they're more fall harvesty, you know, you'll put more fall themed items. Okay, so the items I'm going to use today, I'm going to use a picture frame, a notepad, a candle holder with a candle, has a fall theme in it. This one has some fluff on it from some socks I'm putting in there. Fall themed socks. A lot of this stuff came from Dollar Tree and Family Dollar. This Vaseline. So boo baskets can have a combination of self-care items, cozy, warm items. Here's a beautiful little bag. This person loves animal prints. So we have a little throw blanket, a beautiful pumpkin pillow, eye mask, all in theme. Some slippers. And in those slippers, these are some Bath and Body Works body spray, body mist, champagne toast, and this is a body cream. And I'm going to go on and put these in the slippers like this. Okay. And what else? Oh, nice tumbler, fall colors. And we're going to put it in this beautiful gift basket. Isn't that cute? This came from Dollar Tree in their $5 section. This was probably the most expensive thing. Everything else was like reduced on clearance, like I shop off season. Oh, because I have body care items. I have a loofah. We're going to put it in some basket bags. We're going to need some tape. And we may need some decorative shred. And I use this color here, this natural color. Okay. And we're going to need a bow. And this is a Halloween fall themed bow that I made from a ribbon from Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're going to start building it. Now, most gift baskets, you need to put like a filler in here, some craft paper to build it up. But since this one is pretty shallow, I'm going to start, we can just kind of start right here. I'm going to put the pillow in there. I'm going to come around. I'll bring this down a little bit. And just watch. And just watch me. Oh, I forgot to show you, and I always need a sweet treat or some type of treat. The recipient's favorite treats. They love truffles. So this basket isn't all that cheap, though. It's just me shopping at the right places at the right time. So I'm going to put the truffles back here has some structure to it, so it'll lift that pillow up. Let's see. Over here, we're going to put the lip balm. Put the candle up front. So our recipient, she has a candle, a blanket, some comfy slippers, body care, self-care items, eye mask. We have a journal here. We have a picture frame. We have some sweet treats. And I'm going to put that there. Take the tags off when you're gifting it. And we're going to put some cozy socks in here. I like these. Let me show you these socks here. These are from Snugadoo, and what you do, you just take this little part off and you write it's to and from, from you. Okay, family, everything fit in here nicely. And this is good for like, hey, if you have a girlfriend and you know her taste, you can just get her a nice, do something like that. If you know she's into cosmetics, you put that in there. These are things I know the recipient likes, okay? So everything fit in here nicely. And then if you have any gaps, and just to add a little professional touch, you can use your shred, put a little shred in here, and some little gaps. Because if you're in transit, you need these. Like if you're taking it somewhere, the more secure you make it, the better. See how it just made it more stable. I've done gift baskets. I did a lot of gift baskets for my clients when I was catering. I would do pretty, little cookie baskets and cakes and bread baskets. And when I had a cleaning service, I would do little boo bags like this. If I was cleaning that client's home that week of Halloween, because I had a family, they loved Halloween, and they just always look forward to little things I would just drop for the kids. I would make them little boo baskets. And they were very fond of them. Okay, so we're going to do that. And now, I'm going to take one of our basket bags. And just fold it down. Okay, I'm gonna come around. And make sure it's centered in the basket bag. Take the corners. Put some tape on the corner. Tuck it under. Okay. If you have any excess down here, pull it back. This is just how you give it that heat shrink look without having to shrink wrap it. You know, the average person doesn't have a shrink wrap gun, a heat gun. So you just make it as tight as possible, okay? So we've got all of that air out. And you take the twist tie. Make sure everything's balanced. That looks good. And then we're going to take our bow. This is a posh bow. I call it my posh bow because my gift bag, my company's name is Posh. It was Posh and Gifted. Now it's Posh Plants and Gifts. So I do a lot of plant gifts and gift baskets. So just turn that around. Twist it, fan out, and there is our comfy and cozy boo basket. Isn't that beautiful? It's a great gift. All right, so guys, just wanted to share that with you, give you some ideas, things you can do, you know, to celebrate the fall. And you know, I don't take Halloween that seriously. A lot of people, you know, it's not devil worshiping. It's just we're having fun with it because we're all going to be a corpse one day. So you can't, you know, skirt death. We're all going to be dead. It's okay. And the reason why people wore costumes is to trick the devil, to make sure that the devil just, you know, couldn't find you. Even, you know, if someone even put a spell on you and wanted to put a spell on you, you know, you put a mask on during that day and that tricked the devil. So yeah, I'm all about the devil is a lie. So, all right, guys. So we just have a little fun with it. Life's too short. You don't have to be against everything. All right. So this is a fun way of celebrating Halloween, fall, October. All right, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Glad you tuned in today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.